Hi, I'm Monica Madnani, tarot card reader and spiritual healer. So we'll be doing predictions, July predictions 2020 for Taurus. So just give me a second, let me remove few cards and we will see what is written for Taurus in the month of July. Don't miss the ending, as there is going to be something which I would like you all to do for good health, to keep yourself completely grounded. So let me just remove the cards for Taurus. Okay. Okay, for Taurus, I see an inclination towards spirituality, and you will be working on your personal goals. We all have personal goals, but we don't get time to fulfill that. So you will be working on your personal goals. As past few months, you're facing a lot of issues that may get sorted, so you may breathe a sigh of relief. Whatever the issues were bothering you, you will just breathe a sigh of relief after the eclipse. Expenses may rise a little bit, but that's nothing to worry about it. Your income growth, you'll see it gradually as the month progresses. Around mid-month, your love life will take a very positive turn and will lead to a very, very harmonious relationship between you and your partner. You may enter into a new venture out. I can see new venture around here. You may enter into a new venture. You may work somewhere relating to abroad. You may get some clients, your abroad clients, or your payment is due. They will stuck up. You will get it. You will receive that. But pay attention to your health, minor health, and build your immunity just by having ginger, turmeric, and lots of fruits in your diet. Because I can see a little bit, something which will help you all this. That's why I'm suggesting this. If you are finding you're very unstable and you don't know what to do, so don't worry, there will be a lot of stability in your life as this month gradually progresses. For the students, this month will bring lots of positive developments, and they'll be very happy with the academic result or something in academic. They will get good news. They will wait for that. They were waiting for that news. So you may find a lot of change, a lot of positive changes happening around your life. You may expect something small type of good news coming to you. I told you, related to maybe something money stuck somewhere, or your clients are not communicating. You will find them communicating. Yes, work-wise also, I see people who are working. They will find this month a little better. They will feel, yes, this is what they were waiting for. Work-wise also, things will be good for you. If past months were not good in workplace, this month is better after the eclipse. So this is what Taurans have to take care of this month, July month. Please have ginger, turmeric, and fruits in your diet, because the cards which I have removed are showing me to have natural products. So natural products, so nature, what does nature gives us? Fruits. And ginger and turmeric, because there's a lot of yellow in your cards. So that's why I suggested turmeric to you. Please have this. But before I end this, we will talk about the mudra thing, which I told you that I'll be giving you something surprise. So we all know about mudras. We may be doing also. Some people may be doing it. So our body is made up of 5 elements: Agni, Vayu, Akash, Bhumi, Jala. When there are disturbance in our body, we suffer from disease and imbalanced mind. So how does this mudra, and how will it help us? So mudra, it brings harmony in our body. See, we need harmony in our relationship, in our workplace. So same way, our body has to be in harmony, with each other. Because if our body is healthy, we can naturally do everything what we feel like. So body produces harmony among all body parts. Mudra produces harmony among all body parts, as well as correct functioning of the whole body. So this mudra, you have to do it for 15 minutes daily. It's a very simple mudra. I think most of you all must be doing it. You just have to hold your 2 fingers with your thumb and sit in a meditative state and just sit. If you feel like chanting, you can chant Om, because Om is a universal mantra. Just chant Om and pay attention to your body. This will help you ground grounding grounding of mind and staying focused. We all not need to be very focused about what we are doing. It's very good for people who meditate. It's very good. Our focus has to increase, our concentration level increases. It's very good for children, especially who are studying. It's very good. You can motivate, you can involve your family member to do with you. Make it a family thing, how we eat together. So make this same as a family, involving your family in this. So just very simple, take it like that and sit. We use it in pranayam, in yoga, in some asanas they make us do, but this is where you have to just sit in a calm state of mind and receptive state of mind, to receive. We have to receive divine energies. So just sit, receive, and take care of yourself. See you soon.